Morning! Last day ng mga bata dito, guys. Doon si Zach at saka si TJ, si Holly, parang nandun sa kwarto kasama yung mama niya. Cooking pancakes, eggs, and bacon again. Eggs and bacon lang sana nilulutuin ko. Or eggs and bacon ako. Kaya lang, sabi ng mga bata, gusto nila pancakes din. Tinanong sila nila. Sabi nila, yes, please. So, pancakes din. Yung bacon natin, 13 seconds na lang. Lapit na matapos. Actually, okay na to eh. Wait. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, 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 ding. Yan. 4 lang pala nalagay ko. Pero okay na yan, guys. 10 minutes yun sa 4 na bacon. Itong luto na to. Yan. Luto na yung isang pancake. Dalawa. It's alright. He'll cook you another one. Naghihintay na si Zach sa pancake niya. Kasi si TJ na una sa isa. Sabi ko kay Dan, gumawa ng malaki, tas ikat lang. Ayaw niya talaga. Gusto niya talaga tig-iisa. Yung bacon, yan yung second batch natin. 4 din. Ginawa ko siyang 15 minutes. Pero i-check ko siya. Actually 12 minutes. Check ko siya later. So yung ganyan, yung 4 na ganyang itsura ba, perfect yung 12 minutes. So, after 6 minutes, i-flip mo lang siya. And okay na. And tingnan mo, ganito yung itsura. Diba? Galing. Breakfast na sila. TJ is having egg, bacon. Hi, Manay. Choy! Yan yung paghapon? Ang ganda. Ganda.
What are you eating? Oh, wow. Alam ko naman.
She said she knows. Breakfast na naman. Last breakfast. Pero magkikita tayong muli. Kikita tayong muli.
Soon.
Oo, soon na. Yan. Bacon, eggs, kape, at saka kay Manay, ramone, guys. Tinatry ko sa kanya. Sarapan din siya.
I'm laying down. I'm sleeping. Oh.
Careful. Baka matamaan yung itlog, Zach! Hindi talaga sila tumitigil. What's that? Thank you, Baba. Thank you. Thank you. Hiniram to ni Manay kagabi.
Is that supposed to say something to Isha on camera? Where's Isha? Where's Isha?
Tinatokso niya si Zach kay Isha.
I'll tell her that you miss her when I see her next. I'll say that, Zach just spoke about it all day last night. All day. All day. Oh. He's gonna punch me. He's gonna punch me. You're the most violent 5-year-old.
Are you 5, Zach?
He's 5, TJ's 7, Holly's 13.
Oh, not the itlog, Zach. Babe, careful, babe.
Are you ready?
Let him in, babe. Si Zach. Uwi na siya, guys. Pack up na.
Pack up na, guys. See you next time.
Wala na siyang tag. Tinanggal na. Pinagtatawanan ka pa ni John. Sabi niya, turn around pa, turn around.
Hindi ko naman siya.
Bye, guys. Ay, ang lamig man, ay. Alis na sila, guys. Woo! It's cold. Hi, guys. We are back, people. Wow, you belly, babe.
Where are we going, my love?
IKEA.
Uy, buret.
Yeah.
We are, but before that?
No, go to IKEA first.
Oh, are we? Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious.
What if they close, my love? The one that you want to go to?
Oh well, I'll go there another day.
Yeah! Tingnan nyo to. Nagstay lang si John at saka si Manay ng 2 araw sa amin. Gusto na niya maging golfer.
Professional golfer.
Nag-golf sila ni John kahapon, di ba guys? And nagustuhan niya yung golf. So, he wants to be a golfer now.
I won. I got the highest score.
Burit, babe.
I got the highest
Stop
score.
lying, please. The last time we played golf, it didn't really go well. I will insert that. Yung aim, your aim is the boat, ha? Baka saan ka na naman, ano? Char. Uy! 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 I got that on camera.
I'll take off my shoes.
I got that on camera.
But I've improved.
You have. Good job, my
Thank
love.
you.
I wasn't there, but yeah, sabi ni John, he was good. Char!
That was okay.
He was okay.
I haven't played in 20 years. But it's gonna be a regular thing.
Char!
Yeah.
Gusto na niya bumili ng golf clubs. Sabi ko, sure ka ba? Kasi hindi kaya mura yung golf clubs. Buti na lang, yung stepdad niya, naggo-golf din. And kakabili lang ng bagong golf clubs. So, meron siyang luma na walang gumagamit. So, yun yung gagamitin ni Dan for now. So, anyway, yung bibilihin niya lang is bag para sa golf clubs. Kasi, parang wala atang bag yung golf clubs ni Pete. Hindi ko sure. Pero, we will buy those today. Kasi golfer na siya. Kailangan bilhin agad-agad. Kasi golfer na siya. Are you a professional golfer, babe?
I will be one day.
Boy!
Well, you asked me a question. Can't I dream? Are you going to destroy my dreams? Support your husband.
I am. That's why I'm here, my love. We'll go get your bag for golf.
Tell him about why I chose golf. What did you say? so tell him what you told me.
So he was like going on and on and on about like, oh, I'm gonna be a professional golfer. I'm gonna be a golfer. Like, sobrang excited siya, guys. Nag-golf siya. So sabi ko, tawa lang ako ng tawa. Sabi ko, sa lahat ng sports, sa lahat ng sports, pinili mo yung pinaka-lazy na sports. Tawa siya ng tawa. Wait, no offense ha, sa mga nag-golf because like, I'm not saying that you're lazy when you play sports, but sinasabi ko lang kay Dan, he used to play basketball.
It's a game you can just walk around though. It's a walking around game.
Yeah, so you walk. Plus you have golf carts as well, so you don't really have to walk long. You walk and then you stand there, you hit the ball. Yeah. So, it's not like, you know, hindi iba yung ibig ko sabihin na kasi baka ma-offend yung iba na nag-golf. Ano, alam mo yun, hindi siya like sobrang physical na laro. Because he used to play basketball and he was good at it. And he loves to watch football but he doesn't play football. Alam mo yun? So, yeah. Tawa ako ng tawa. Siya, tawa din siya ng tawa. What was your reaction, babe, when I said that?
You're funny.
I'm funny, my love.
You're funny.
Yeah, tawa siya ng tawa, guys. Sabi niya. What did you say, babe? After I said that? You're right, my love? Is that what you said? Or something?
Something along those lines.
Yeah. Anyway, we're heading to IKEA first. Oh, the reason why we're going to IKEA because bili ako ng plant para sa aking filming room. Doon sa maliit na corner doon sa gilid, meron akong space doon na ayokong lagyan ng cabinet kasi sobrang close niya sa window. Kasi baka mag-melt yung makeup ko, especially this summer. So, lagyan ko siya ng plant doon, guys. Or maybe lamp. I'm not sure yet. We'll look around. Okay? See you guys later. Ang haba na ng ating chikahan. Dito na kami sa IKEA, guys. Dito na kami sa mga stool section. Gusto ko ito bilhin. Ay, hindi pa sure pala. Depende pala sa kung gaano kalaki yung plant ko. So, kapag maliit lang yung plant, lalagay ko siya sa stool para makita siya ba. Pero yan, dito na kami. And gusto ko din bumili ng stool para ilagay sa pantry. Kasi yung pantry namin, di ba, ang haba. Tapos yung nasa taas, hindi ko na makita. So, gusto ko maglagay ng stool sa pinakailalim. Yung maliit lang na para pwede ko siyang kunin o pwede ko siyang i-store doon para hindi naka-expose yung stool. How tall is our pantry?
Yeah. Be working on the very top part. You'll be alright, that'll be alright though. I'll be better. I just don't know where you're going to put the stool. So you're going to store it.
No, underneath. The first drawer.
It'll fit.
Yeah, it will fit. You fit? Okay, let's get one.
Which one?
Why? Parang gusto ko yung lamp na yan, guys. Yan, oh. Instead of a plant, lamp na lang siguro, no? Is it a good size, babe? Or is it too long? Yeah. $79. Yeah? It's nice, right? Do you like it? Guys. Let's walk around first before we decide. So why is it different colors? Meron kasing brown at saka meron white.
This might be a big one. I don't think this is that.
So that one's a bigger one? No, I think it's the same. Wait. Tingnan mo yung pangalan. So that one... 901-56148. 901-56148. It's the same. It's the same.
They're both the same?
Yeah. Iba lang yung box. 901. Yeah.
Which box do you want?
Uh-oh.
Alright. Let's go walk around.
Okay, let's keep on walking around. Is that the best one from this side here?
It's on that yacht at the moment.
I like it. Yeah. Gusto ko yung kulay. Wait. Ano pa ba? How about this one, babe? Babe. This one. Joke lang. Dito na kami sa plants, guys. Pero, kinuha ko na yung lamp. Pero kapag may nakita ako na mas gusto ko na plant, papalitan ko yung lamp. Ito, sobrang haba eh. Gusto ko yung subdue lang. Ito, perfect na yung size niya. Ito actually yung nakita namin sa labas kanina. Do you like this better? Do you like this or the lamp? Lamp? Is it like that?
Yeah, you gotta push it down like that.
Yeah, I think I like this one better. You just have to look for like the best one. Ito yung bibilhin natin, guys. Ito para sa lobster. O, diba? Para sa lobster. Stool. Yan. Papalitan ko yung white namin na ganyan. I think, no, do we have a black one? Like, yung pang grip? Black yung amin pala. Papalitan ko nito. Parang transparent. And then, kandila. Gusto ni Dan kumuha nito. Oh, hindi ako yan na. Si Dan yan na. Ang nalalagyan ng toothbrush namin, we have the same exact one. Kaya lang papalitan namin siya kasi luma na. And then I went for the plant. This one. Pinalitan ko yung lamp. Tapos gaganyanin pa naman siya. So, yes. Ito matatanggal to. So, pwede ka maglagay ng kung ano-ano dyan. Kung gusto mo na yung oil ba. Doon lang sa bottom. Where are we, my love?
Sorry?
Where are we?
Coffee shop.
Tingnan niyo itong mga presyo, guys. Yeah. So, yung nakita niyo, 150 daw. Saan niyo kaya yung nakita? Online. Kasi yung pinakamura dito, 199. Pero yung kailangan niya bag lang. Yan. Siya na talaga. You like that one? I think that's, yeah, I know. For kids. Maliit naman yan, babe. Na tumawag na pala siya kanina, guys. Pina-reserve na niya. Yan, yung maliit. Char. Char, kaya. You like it?
I like it so.
Okay. Go buy it. Mura jud correct. Pa-check-check. Paura pagkabaon sa gi-check. Kara, just mo angay. Feel na feel. Karagis mo. Sinabi ko sa kanya, bakit sa iyo yung pinakamaliit sa lahat ng mga bags? Sa kanya yung pinakamaliit. Like, as in, yours is the smallest one, babe.
Yeah, these are like for people that look at this, man. How many clubs are you gonna fit there?
Yeah, but I'm not talking about that. But like, look at yours. Sobrang liit. Like, this one is like not as big. Tapos, the other stuff here. Tingnan mo to. Nakatayo na yung isa, oh. Tingnan mo. Nakatayo na eh. Tama nga din naman siya. Hindi naman siya pro. Okay na, babe?
I'm happy with it.
Yeah. I know you're happy with it. You booked it already. Bahay na kami, guys. Pero aalis kami agad. Punta kami sa bahay ng mama niya. Kailangan ko manghiram ng sandpaper para isand ko yung nasa ano ba, sa filming room. Yung, inano ko, tinakpan ko. Yung mga holes. Isasand ko siya. Tapos, pipintahin ko siya ng white. Okay ka lang, babe? Ito, how much was this? Do you remember? $15. And then ito?
$3 each, aren't they?
Or maybe like $4 each? Or $3? Siguro tag $3 isa. This one, do you remember how much this one was? $5. And ito, $2 lang to, $1.99 ba? And then yan, $7.99.
See how high you can reach.
Oo nga. Wait, babe. So, kasya siya dito, guys, sa bottom shelf. You know what? Someone commented. She said, every time you open your pantry, I really want to organize it. I will, guys. Promise, I will. Kasya siya, babe. Yes, kasya. And then we'll see kung anong abot ko. Because right now, yung abot ko, yung dito lang eh. So, ngayon, abot ko na dito, pero ito hindi. Hindi ko siya abot dito, babe. Pero that's okay. Dito. Kailangan ko pa din magkinto kung gusto ko siya kasi makita talaga dun. Pero, yeah. We will organize that. Basta tatanggalin ko itong mga plato dito, ilalagay ko somewhere para ito lahat dito food. So, yun. Yay! That's alright? Yan. Ay, babe, it looks good. Yeah. So, yung plant, guys, ilalagay ko dyan sa gilid. Kasi nga yung sabi ko sa inyo kanina, diba? Kasi nandito yung makeup ko eh. Yeah. And then, hindi kami nakabili ng mirror. Gusto ko sana maglagay ng mirror dyan na like yung natatanggal lang na mirror. Kasi kapag nagfi-film ako, gusto ko yan yung background ko. So, kung may mirror siya, makikita yung lighting ko. So, gusto ko yung removable na mirror lang. So, kapag nag-film ako, ilalagay ko lang siya sa side. But yeah, the plant will look good. So, after nitong room na to, guys, makaka-organize na tayo sa pantry. After pantry and kitchen, gagawin ko yung bedroom naman. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina. So, yan. Natakpan ko na yan, guys, completely. Isasand ko na lang siya. Tapos, pipintahan natin. Kung may time lang kami, punta pa sana kami ng Bunnings para kumuha ng mga, ano ba, yung mga, what do you call those, paint strips? With the colors? With the paint samples? Ano tawag doon? Yung, basta yung sa pintura. May mga picture ng pintura ba? Gusto ko sana kumuha ng maraming white para i-compare ko ano yung, kasi hindi to flat out white eh. Pero parang meron siyang like gray na hint sa kanya, yung wall namin. So, gusto ko to get the paint as close as what we have now para uniform. Anyway, tara! Punta kami sa mama niya, guys. And we will drop off the beddings as well na hiniram namin sa kanya ba. So, drop namin yun dun. And bigay din namin sa kanya. Bigay din namin sa kanya yung lobster na binigay ni Manay at saka ni John. Thank you, guys! So, sabi nila, bigay sa mama ni Dan. Yung nasa mukha ko pala, gustong-gusto ko, yung cream blush na ginamit ko yesterday, yung from Canmake. Same blush yung ginamit ko, guys. And on my list is the M Cosmetics na lipstick shade vintage. Rosewood ata yun. Ilalagay ko na naman yung sa, yung kung ano yung nasa lips ko sa description eh. So, ilalagay ko na siya lagi.
But, oh, so.
Thanks for that.
That's alright. It's Chona.
That's nice of her.
I know.
We got
It's from Chona and my kids.
We got
Ah.
him today.
Wow.
Oh, did you?
yeah.
Oh, nice.
Went fishing today.
Where?
Fresh.
Oh, off one of those higher things.
Cool.
Okay.
The diffuser still smells really good.
Oh, really?
The diffuser still
Yeah,
smells
doesn't
really.
it?
Yeah, I know.
Good
As
one.
soon as you walk in.
I keep turning it
Smells.
over every couple of days.
The what?
The fuser.
Ah, yeah.
You know how you
The
wait up-
reed.
Yeah.
Yeah, the sticks.
Yeah.
Jesus, he
Do you
won.
want me to check your BP, babe?
He won pretty easily. The Tottenham area.
Yeah. He got it. Smashed them.
Malak, check your BP. Do you know what your BP is? Blood pressure? Check it.
I don't know how to do it.
Ah,
You do it for me.
okay, let's do it.
Oh, you did it. Oh, yeah.
Come on. I think you have high blood pressure.
I think I'll only do it as well, to be honest with you.
Come on.
Just do my arm.
Yeah.
How the way up?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh, no. Yeah, that's right.
You like that? Yep,
Maybe I
That's it.
tried in it.
that's it.
Tighter? Or that kind of...
Now you're gonna put your arm down. Then you're gonna.
What should it be?
120 over 80 or something. For your age.
Yeah.
Yeah, 120, 80. I think yours will be like...
And you just have an apron. It'll be 150 overnight.
Yeah.
To be furious.
Oh, no, babe!
Oh, it's gonna be high. It's gonna be at least 100 and,
Yeah.
130 over something.
Yeah.
Okay. Because mine is, I think, 90 over something.
So does it have to stop? Does it stop or?
I'll stop in a minute. Yep.
Relax, relax.
You come up with two figures. 139 over 86.
You like 140.
Yeah.
Yeah, you highlight.
That's pretty good.
No, it's not.
How about mine?
Yep.
Let's do mine. Mine is normal. I'm gonna do it.
Do it that way?
No, the other way. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Lucky guy. Yeah, mine is, I think, last time it was like 90 over 70 or 60. Something.
Yeah, yours will be.
Yeah.
I know, wait over.
Ah! I'm very normal.
Oh yeah?
Isn't 82 a bit high?
Sorry?
Isn't 82 a little bit high?
No, 80's
I
about
doubt
right.
I don't just.
80's not too bad.
Yeah.
Yeah,
There you go.
that's all right.
Thanks, babe.
Whoops.
Oops.
He got
Oops.
147 over 97 last night.
You?
Yeah.
Oh.
High. Yeah.
Thank you.
That's not bad size, actually, mate.
Is it perfect, babe?
Yeah, it's perfect.
That's actually good.
It's got a handle.
Very.
Yep.
Yeah.
Check. Do you need more of those thingies?
No, it's not. Only 80 bucks, but it's not worth 80 bucks. So about 50. But I could have
That's
got
cool.
a proper big one, but it was 100.
So,
Nakalibre na naman kami ng dinner. Free dinner, my love. Thank you.
fish and tastes nice. I'm happy with piece of fish.
Yeah, that looks good.
Do you snap at Easter? Don't have to do it when we're here, do
Well,
it.
no one else will be here. Well, me by myself.
Oh,
me and
Jared, over here? Jared?
It's good, thank you.
Well, it's tea time anyway, so you might as well have it. No way you don't have to worry about it when you get home.
We'll do that. We will.
Then they eat well. You've already given me my on
I think Valentine's Day, cook them both.
Hey?
Cook them both Valentine's Day?
What do I cook them?
Sorry? Do you have to cook them or do you
It's
just
already
defrost them?
cooked.
They're already cooked?
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
already cooked, just defrost. I think eat them both because they're not very big.
No, you can go and choose.
We've only got
No.
two at home.
We've got two. And
that
then
the
you have
But
two.
you'd give me one. Well,
You got two in the bag?
Oh, I can have
Yeah.
two.
So no, we've got two in the bag as well.
Sure.
Yeah.
We'll eat
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
We'll eat it.
How did you cook it last time?
I didn't, we haven't.
You can eat it raw. Yeah, raw's fine. Bit of lemon or bit of whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah. The tail, mate. Aussies normally, unless you cook it like a mornay, they normally don't do what you do.
Yeah.
That's like nice what you do.
I always eat it with that sauce.
And you know what? Probably when you get pregnant, you can. If you do it that way rather than.
Where are you going, Mike?
Gonna play some golf.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
Bye, Ben. Nigara gibuang. Fail jud kaayo niya ang goal. Do you like it, babe?
My
Nice.
new toy.
New toy. Wrong, people. Yan natin siya, sand natin siya para lang ma-smooth siya ba. Smooth na din naman kasi ito kasi I did really well. Feeler na naman. Pero as in, sobrang smooth niya kaya hindi kaya sobrang bumpy. Pero gusto lang ni Dan na as in smooth pa siya before ko siya pinturahan. See, nagiging red ako. Sabi ko sa inyo. May nag-correct sa akin kung paano to i-pronounce. Sorry. Pero yan, naubos na natin siya yung water sleeping mask. So, next na gagamitin natin is ito ba yun? Yung galing Cos RX overnight mask. Yes. Yan yung gagamitin natin next. Pero bukas na kasi, or maybe hindi bukas kasi hindi ko to inaaraw-araw eh. Pero basta, ito yung gagamitin natin next na sleeping mask. Tingnan natin kung ano yung itsura. Ito. Yan. Ultimate Moisturizing Honey Overnight Mask. And I will let you guys know if maganda. Pero ito, sobrang nagustuhan ko siya. Ang ganda ng skin mo kinabukasan. Kaya lang parang ito na ata yung last ko. So, ito muna itry natin and see kung maganda din. Kasi I believe this one is cheaper than this. I'm pretty sure it is. Pero yan. Galing pala tong dalawang to kay Yes Style, guys. I-leave ko yung link ng dalawang products sa description box. Tinatabunan ko yung likod nila, nakikita. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be goodbye. Good night. Mwah.